Auzubillahiminashaitanirajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Manzoor Ahmed Mir, lecturer zoology, BHSS Sogam. Dear students, our class is 12th. Our subject, you know that it is zoology, and our today's topic is ZIFT. Dear students, yesterday I have already told you, and we explained and we discussed a lesson that is the latest technology, this in vitro fertilization, IVF. But this latest technology has been modified by another technology in 1986. ZIFT was introduced in 1986. It is actually ART. ART means assisted reproductive technique. It is a reproductive technique, assisted reproductive technique, and why it was used and why it is what were the benefits, what is the cause, why this has been launched, what this has been introduced, this technique, why there is need of this technique. As you know that first of all, it used to help those who are infertility to conceive a child, who are not in a position, who are infertility, those people who cannot fertilize easily. After getting the fertilization, there is no zygote formation, there is no anything. So for to come out those people who are infertility people, for these purposes, these two techniques, these three techniques, there are so many techniques, but some important techniques, that is ZIFT, GIFT and the IVF has been launched or introduced. Why this? What is actually this ZIFT? You know that zygote interfallopian transfer. It is nothing more but it is actually a zygote transfer, intrafallopian transfer. Zygote intrafallopian transfer. After getting immediately the fertilization, there is formation of zygote. But when there is a blockage of fallopian tube in some women, so they cannot develop this zygote normally. So for those purposes, it is known as zygote interfallopian transfer, and it is actually infertility treatment. If anybody tells you why this technique has been launched, why this technique has been used, actually it is infertility treatment used when there is blockage in the fallopian tube. When there is blockage of fallopian tube, जब fallopian tube में block हो जाता है, तो इस treatment को अमल में लाया जाता है. When there is blockage in the fallopian tube and prevents the normal binding of the sperm to the egg. When there is blockage, it prevents, it gets separation of the normal egg and the normal sperm. If the sperm and the normal egg cannot meet out, if they cannot mix, then what will happen? In ZIFT, the eggs are fertilized with the sperm outside the body of woman. So for that purpose, to conceive a child, for such purposes, by laparoscopic method, by sonographic method, this has been done, that the eggs, the normal eggs, the mature eggs are retrieved from the woman's body in a special medium. Then when they are been retrieved from the woman's body, from the woman's uterus, then the zygote is transferred, directly placed into the fallopian tube. Then this zygote, which has been retrieved, this sperm and the eggs have been mixed in a filled medium, then they are placed into the fallopian tube for further development. I will again repeat, my dear students, this term, this technique, this scientific technique has been launched in 1986 for the first time. The purpose of this technique is only to give those persons who are infertility, who cannot get fertilization normally, because their women have a blockage in their fallopian tubes, so they cannot meet out they cannot mix normally the sperm and the eggs, normal eggs. Then these eggs and the sperm are retrieved from the woman's body. Then they are directly placed into the fallopian tube for further development. And it is actually the modification of IVF. It is actually, you know, it is very important point that it is actually the modification of IVF. If anybody tell you what is actually this ZIFT, ART, this assisted reproductive technique, it is actually the modification of this IVF, in vitro fertilization procedure. ZIFT is normally performed in the pronuclear stage. कोई आपसे पूछेगा question, in which cell stage this has been done? in this cell stage. This ZIFT is performed in the pronuclear stage, that is 1 day after egg retrieval. That is when egg is retrieved after 1 day. After the egg has been retrieved, just after 1 day, this has been it is pronuclear stage, and just after 1 day, this egg has been retrieved for the practical reason. Though this egg has been retrieved for the practical reason just after 1 day. This is actually the term ZIFT. This is the most important term, and you make sure that it will be definitely in this year in the exam having 2 or 3 marks. Inshallah, I am sure that you are getting my points. You are well versed with this very important technique. That's ART, assistant reproductive technique, and inshallah we will tomorrow discuss in detail gift. What is it actually? What is the gift? Then we will differentiate between the ZIFT and the gift. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz.